everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Yes, and today's video we are going to do unboxing. Yes, unboxing. And it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yay! I'm sorry about my voice. Okay, because shopping is an art, by the way, let's just do it. And because this is coming from Charan, from a Tory Burch fashion house. Yes. And with that being said, this is bags. Okay. So in case you did not know, I am an online reseller, and all these bags that I'm unboxing, so they have this one, is also for sale. Okay, so this, oh my god, I'm so excited. This is probably the second time that I buy from Tory Burch, and since I like their product, I buy more when they're on sale, of course. So let me check. I've been wanting to have this bag for a long time for myself, but since I started selling, by the way, I have linked down below. Mercari is my in my Mercari, I have also online store there, so you can buy this from. Look. Oops. Okay. So this is called Kira bag. So this, you will see. Oh my god. So inside, so this is the inside of this, is the retail price of $498, but of course I'm not gonna sell that for $498. I will show you. This is like a Chanel fluff kind of style, and I really like it. This will be the first bag that I ever bought. Like, this is made of tweed. So you can wear it shoulder. Oh my god, it's nice. So you can wear a shoulder bag, or you can wear it cross shoulder, cross body bag. Okay, let me put this one. Okay. So that, okay, so I love this bag because this is so unique, and it's tweed, and it's like the Kira, it's called the Kira design, I believe. Oh my god, yeah. So let me show you. The quality of this bag is really pretty. Oh my god. So follow me in my Mercari. Check my Mercari. I have a lot of bags that are on sale right now, or jewelries or shoes. I'll put that aside. And the second one is so this I've been aiming for long time. They remove the price. Look. Oh my god, it's a crop embossed. They call this the Lee red cell. Oh my god. with the mixture of, look, with a mixture of this velvet velvet, and oh my god, so you can wear it a shoulder bag, or you can wear it also as a crossbody bag. So it's really, oh my god, you look at the design. Those are really pretty. So this one have a Tory Burch ski. Okay, let me see. I am also selling this, and you can find this in my Mercari. And look at that. It is just so pretty. You know, when you have to go to dinner or dinner or party or stuff like that. And oh my god, look, the dust bag is super cute. With a lot of T logo. Okay, I forgot how much is this for. Okay, it's not here. So this is called Lee Rad's Will Embossed Frame Small Saddle Bag. So this is a saddle bag, and you can adjust this one if you want it longer or shorter. And this is, look at that, this is just awesome. I think this is like almost $700 if you buy this for regular price, and I just happened to get this for a really good price. Oops, hang on. So to open this one, we're just going to pull it there, but you can also use this one and pull. And it's so cute when this is like just loosen up like that. And it have a pocket in the back, and look at the inside. It's just really big enough, and I like it because look at this, it's really thick. So yes, this is a red cell and a Kira. Ta-da! Yay! Thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like to buy this one, go to my Mercari, and don't be shy to make me an offer. Thank you so much. Bye.